Cadjpy 11. This is February 2026. Okay, let's go this. I'm gonna make a short video of 5 minutes and explain what do I think that's gonna happen on this market this week, maybe probably next week. So we can see that the market is showing a strong push to the upside. This is some kind of in long term, this is a ascending structure. This is uptrend. So you can see that on this point right here, on this area, from here to here, we can see that Cadjpy is in some kind of consolidation. Okay, some kind of consolidation, and we're going to take advantage of this, right? So if we take a look on this point right here, this was on 22 January last month. The market reached this area and then had a strong push to the downside, and a few days ago, this week, the market was on this point and then made a strong push to the downside, showing that there is a lot of sellers in this area. So we're gonna consider this our resistance, strong resistance, or high demand zone. Or no, it's supply zone. Yes, supply zone. So um, let's go deep to lower time frames such as H4. We're gonna see that the market is making lower lows and lower highs, starting from this point right here, made a higher low, made a lower high, and then strong push after this point, strong push to the downside, made a new lower high, lower low, and what we expect now is to market retest this area somewhere around here. I don't know if it will be this point or this one, and then continue to the downside. So let's draw our zones. The strategy that we're going to use is what we showed before, which is support and resistance, market structure, and okay, let me clean this. Okay, this is my strategy. Okay, let me draw my zones. I'm gonna use 4-hour time frame because I'm intraday trading, so I'm gonna use 4-hour time frame. All zones that I'm gonna draw will be basing with price historically. I'm gonna put my horizontal ray on this point so that we see. Okay, let me put this here so that we see the most rejection points, and where will I draw my support zones. Okay, I'm gonna put this somewhere right here. Okay, why am I choosing this point? I'm choosing this point because if we look somewhere around here, this low a few time ago acted as support, resistance, support, and then now probably is gonna act like resistance again. So I'm gonna draw my zone around here. Okay, let me just take this off. I'm gonna put my home. I'm gonna use this recent area to draw my zones, because I believe that this kind of movement that made when this point was broken a few time ago, the market break and retest it and then drop it down. So I expect that the market now is gonna retest this level around here, basing on what's happening around here. I think that is gonna retest and reject and push to the downside. So I'm gonna take advantage of this movement. This is not financial advice. It's just an analogy, and I'm not sure that will happen. Right? So I'm gonna use this point right here to draw my support. This is actually my resistance now. This is my support zone. So I'm gonna draw this right here, and I'm gonna wait to see some kind of rejection. That what's gonna happen right here, and I'm gonna put my entry around there, my stop loss above this zone, and I put my target somewhere on here. So this is what I think that's gonna happen on Cadjpy this week. Have a nice